This 3-piece Shiseido lip that, let me tell you. Okay, you already know what I'm going to start with. This is the Shiseido Color Gel Lip Balm in the shade 110 Juniper. I've posted a ton of videos about it. It's just amazing. Looks purple, but it's gorgeous. I just love it. I just love it so much. Never thought that I would love this. This is the Shiseido Aura Dew in the color Solar. And when I put this on, it really makes me think of like those old Lancome lip colors that were just metallic and that like all of our grandmas and teachers used to wear. Look at that. This. I would never wear this, except I did. Okay, this is the Shiseido Shimmer Gel Gloss in the shade 06. So orange. Look at it. I don't really have lips, but even putting this on my small lips, how freaking cute is that? That's what we're rolling with today. Shiseido.